Question number 17, module 2A. So Mr. Jeffrey Gibson, what does he do? He takes art from his, native culture, and he decorates boxing attire with that native art. So he's inspired by his native art. And it's native art, I think, related to females. So that way he takes like female native artwork, and then he applies it to male or masculine boxing attire, right? That's what I understood. Which describes Gibson's approach to art as presented in the text. He draws from traditional native art forms to create his original works, yes, right? Because it says here in the end, right, he uses native work. Women in most native communities use beadwork and for dressmaking and dressmaking. So he decorates boxing attire with beadwork. Answer A. Answer B. He finds inspiration from boxing. No, he doesn't find inspiration from boxing. He finds inspiration from his native culture and applies it to boxing. Answer C. He rejects expectations about color and pattern. Well, it's not about color and pattern. He rejects gender roles or gender definitions. Answer D. He has been influenced by native and non-native artists. I mean, we're not talking about artists. We're talking about cultural art, right? General sense. It's too specific. And he's not influenced by non-native artists. He's influenced by native. So also, this is beyond what the text says. Answer A.